Okay viewers, just look at this video, it's absolutely amazing. Every single one of these videos was created with just one click using Geelark AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create AI content with Geelark AI, and I'll also cover its powerful features like proxy profiles, cloud phones, multiple account management, AI creation tools, and much more. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's head over to YouTube and search for the channel Z Animals. This channel has around 24K subscribers and is estimated to earn around $4,000 per month. If we look at its most popular videos, one of them has over 3.5 million views, while many others have also crossed the million view mark. The interesting thing is that this channel uploads 3D cartoon-style animated videos. Today I'll show you how you can create similar AI-generated videos using Geelark AI. Take a close look at these videos. Notice how engaging they are, how smooth the animations look, and how well they capture viewers' attention. After checking out these examples, let's move on to today's main tool, Geelark AI. Let's open the Geelark AI website. As you can see, Geelark AI is much more than just an AI tool. It's a complete social media marketing platform that lets you manage multiple accounts, use cloud phones, configure proxy servers, create AI content, and automate different marketing tasks. Before exploring its features, let's first download and install it. I'll click on Download, choose Download for Windows, and install the software. Once the installation is complete, I'll launch the application. After opening Geelark AI, you'll see several powerful sections, including Profiles, Proxies, AIGC Model, DeepSeek AI, Analytics, Applications, Automation, and Synchronizer. Today, I'll explain how each of these features works. Creating a cloud phone profile. Let's start with the Profiles section. Before creating a cloud phone, we first need to configure a proxy. I'll open the Proxies section. Geelark AI supports HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies. Since I already have a SOCKS 5 proxy, I'll paste it here and click Check Proxy. After waiting for a few seconds, look at this. The proxy has been connected successfully. Now I'll click OK. Next, I'll return to Profiles and click New Profile. I'll name the profile SkillTech Tutorial. Then I'll paste the same proxy into the Hosts section, verify it again, select Android 16, which is currently the latest Android version, and finally, click Create. After a few moments, our profile has been created successfully. Now I'll click Start. As you can see, Geelark AI is connecting to the cloud phone. After waiting a few more seconds, look at this. A complete Android cloud phone is now running. It comes with Google Chrome, Play Store, and many other Android applications. You can use it for social media management, account operations, marketing campaigns, app testing, and much more. You'll also find useful tools like screen rotation, screenshots, file uploads, downloads, and many additional controls. Now let me show you one of my favorite features. I'll click on the three-dot menu, where you'll find the clone option. Using clone, I can instantly duplicate this cloud phone. For example, I'll create 2 additional copies. Then I'll simply click Start on each profile, and look at this. Now I have 3 cloud phones running simultaneously. That means I can work on 3 separate Android devices at the same time without owning multiple physical phones. This feature is incredibly useful for marketers, developers, testers, and anyone managing multiple social media accounts. AIGC model. Now let's move to the AIGC model, where Geelark AI provides 3 powerful AI creation tools. Image generator, text to video, image to video. Let's begin with the image generator. I'll enter my prompt and generate 2 or 3 AI images. While those images are processing, I'll switch to text to video. Here, I'll enter a prompt and start generating a video using the available AI model. After waiting a short time, look at this result. The AI-generated images are now ready, and they look incredibly detailed and professional. At the same time, the text-to-video generation has also finished. As you can see, the generated video is smooth, engaging, and visually impressive. Now let's test image to video. I'll upload an image and generate 2 animated videos from it. After a short wait, both videos are now complete. As you can see, Geelark AI delivers excellent results across image generation, text-to-video, and image-to-video creation. DeepSeek AI Geelark AI also includes its own AI assistant powered by DeepSeek. Here, you can type prompts of up to 200 characters and ask questions, generate ideas, write content, or get instant AI assistance. Analytics next, we have the Analytics section. Here, duplicate accounts are automatically filtered, making account management much easier. You can also add different social media platforms and organize your profiles efficiently. Applications inside the Applications section, you'll find many built-in applications that can be installed directly within Geelark AI to expand its functionality. Automation. One of the most powerful features is automation. Geelark AI includes an automation marketplace where you can automate marketing workflows for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and many others. You'll find features such as customer tasks, plans, logs, marketing templates, automated campaigns, for example, if you choose TikTok automation. Geelark AI guides you through the complete workflow from selecting a cloud phone and creative assets to uploading content and managing campaigns step by step. Synchronizer. Finally, we have the Synchronizer feature. Here, you can connect all of your cloud phone profiles and synchronize actions across multiple devices at the same time, making large-scale account management much easier. So that's an overview of the major features inside Geelark AI. Now let's move on to one of the most important sections, the pricing plans, where I'll explain which plan offers the best value and which one is the right choice for your needs. So, viewers, Geelark AI offers several pricing plans, including 90-day, 180-day, and 360-day subscriptions. You can choose the plan that best fits your needs and budget. The best part is that Geelark AI offers excellent value for the features it provides. That's why I highly recommend giving it a try. Without wasting any more time, choose the plan that works for you and start exploring everything Geelark AI has to offer. You can create and manage proxy profiles, launch cloud phones, handle multiple accounts, and use the powerful AIGC model to generate images, create videos, and much more, all from a single platform. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tool and a brand new tutorial. Goodbye, and have a great day.